faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression.
Alright everybody, Madincanada here. I want to tell you a very interesting story. Now, I used to have two cats, right? Mine was a white little Persian kitten named Angel. I love that cat. You know, she had she had a thumb on her paw, like right here. It's a really beautiful thing. Then there's Jade, who was a calico, but still is really beautiful. But then my mom thought to get a cat by the name of Bebe. I only said that name once. The cat was a she's a Bengal cat, supposedly rare breed of kitten, well, say cat, and you know that cat. I really hate that cat. It's just like here's what she pretty much looks like. This cat will also, this little stuffed kitten right here, will also be acting as a stunt double for Baby today, for this video. See these spots with this? Her fur is almost just like that in a way, but not totally this bright color. It's more darkish. Yeah. You know, and me and that cat have such a great relationship now. It's not even funny. Like, this is what me and her, our conversations were like. What's up? Come from school and you're like all like sitting down, staring at me already. What? Do you already hate me that much? It's like, I can't believe the hate that you have for me. It's just completely unruly and cruel. Like, whatever did you? Well, let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot the time that I almost booed you out the window. You were chopping my mama, huh? Well, you want beef? Or I'll take her straight to your head, man. Yeah. Bam! Huh? Is that how it's gonna be? Yeah? Well, guess what? You're a faggot. I hate you. I wish you died. I wish that my mom would left you worried that she. Now we're calling each other names, huh? That's how it's gonna be. Yeah, call me immortal. You cut me off too. That's it. You're tossed. Yeah, you like that, huh? Oh God. Yeah, that's right. One, left, right. Yeah, knee. Ow. God, my ow, my feet still scratching. Stop choking. Don't stop choking me. My cat abuses me. It makes me give him back scratches and belly rubs. He makes me clean his kitty litter. He makes me do everything. I'm a slave forever. Please, somebody help me. Please, somebody.